students were given this question. A tank contains 1000 liters of water in which 100 grams. So you have a tank and it has got 1000 liters. Okay, 1000 liters of water in which you have got 100 grams of salt. So you got water here and you got salt, and brine is nothing but salt solution, runs in. So you have imagine you have a pipe, and that pipe is feeding in water. Okay, runs in at a rate of 10 liters per minute. Okay, 10 liters per minute. So this is brine. Okay, brine is nothing but salt solution. Now this mixture which is coming in has got 5 grams of salt dissolved in it. So this solution which is coming in at a rate of 10 liters per minute, and it has got 5 grams of salt, dissolved salt. Now the mixture of the tank is kept uniform by stirring. So somebody is stirring it. Okay, you imagine there is a huge rod here and somebody is stirring it. Okay, they are mixing the content. Now brine runs out at 10 liters per minute. So that means what? There is another nozzle, okay, by which the solution is running out at 10 liters per minute. Now we are expected to find the amount of salt at any time t. So we would be using the formula dx over dt. Now what is dx over dt? Now if x of t is the amount of salt at any time t, then dx over dt would be the change. Okay, this would be considered as the rate of change. So this rate of change is nothing but inflow minus outflow. So you have a formula. What is the formula? Inflow minus outflow, the rate of change will be dx over dt. So this will give us the amount of salt at any time t. So this is the formula that we will be using. So before that we need to find out what is the inflow. Now inflow says 10 liters per minute and 5 grams of salt is there. So you got 5 grams and 10 liters are basically flowing in. So 5 grams are present in 1 liter, right? So for 10 liters you will have 50 grams of salt. This is your inflow. Now to find the outflow, we know that 10 liters of brine is flowing out. The total content is 1000 liters. So to get the outflow, you divide 10 by 1000 and that would give you 0.01. Now if you would have taken x of t to be the amount of salt at any time t, then the outflow will be equal to 0.01 multiplied with x of t. So this is the quantity which would be flowing out. Okay, so therefore the system, if I am going to take it as 1, therefore I can rewrite 1 to be as dx over dt is equal to 50 minus 0.01 x. Now if I were to take negative 0.01, then this is going to become x negative 5000, right? Now I'm going to rewrite this. So we got dx over dt is equal to negative 0.01 multiplied with x negative 5000, and you move x negative 5000 down, you get something like this, and you take dt to the right side. So you're going to have an equation like this. Now what you got to do is you have to integrate both sides. Integrating, we get, so you are integrating both the quantities. This is going to be log, okay, In fact, I won't be using log here. The reason I won't be using log here is that we will have to basically simplify this. So I would be using the natural logarithm. So that's base e. You will understand why I'm using this. Now this is going to be ln of x negative 5000 is equal to negative 0.01 times t plus arbitrary constant c. But I'm not going to use c. I'm going to use it as ln c. Now this can be rewritten as ln of x negative 5000 negative ln c is equal to negative 0.01 times t. Now I'm going to use the formula ln a negative ln b is equal to ln of a over b. Okay, so this means you've got ln of x negative 5000 divided by c is equal to negative 0.01 t. Now there is this formula which is ln of a is equal to b. This has a base e. Okay, so I can rewrite this as a is equal to e raised to the power b. Okay, you can simply say we know that. Now because we know this, this can be rewritten as x negative 5000 is equal to e raised to the power negative 0.01 times t divided by c. So if I can still further simplify, this is going to be x negative 5000 is equal to c times e raised to the power negative 0.01 times t. Now I can simplify this further by moving this 5000 to the other side. So that would mean x is equal to 5000 positive c times e raised to the power negative 0.01 t. So this is a very important equation we have got. Now the solution is complete if I can find out the value for c when time t is equal to 0 and x is equal to 100. So this is the mere requirement which we need. So substituting it, we would get 100 is equal to 5000 plus this entire quantity. When you substitute t is equal to 0, this entire quantity is going to become 1. So you got positive c. So therefore from here you get c is equal to negative 4900. So if you were to substitute this into this system, so if I were to take this as say 3, therefore I can write it here. 3 would be rewritten as, the new system would be x is equal to 5000 negative, c is negative 4900 times e raised to the power negative 0.01 t. So this would give us the solved content for any time t. Okay, all you need to do is make a simple substitution for t. And that would be the final answer for this question.